on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know this is kind of like a weird setup for me and you don't see my face, but today I wanted to bring you guys something new and different and show you how I do my nails at home. This is my second time doing my nails since I got the kit, and they look pretty good for like a beginner and just starting out. Definitely if you start off with fresh clean nails and follow the process that I'm going to show you in the video, your nails will come out just as good as mine, maybe even better. So if you guys like to see how I created these nails, please keep on watching. So I know I have pink on already, but I feel like I could do a better job, so I'm going to take these off and redo them. So this will be my first time taking nails off, well, gel nails off, so I don't know. We're gonna see how this turns out. So in my gel kit, I got like this, and I'm going to use what I've been using to like sand down my nails was this size with this like sander thing. I really don't know the terminology, but y'all see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna take that little drill bit and this little sander, and I'm going to attach it to my gel kit. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to put the it on to turn going clockwise, I believe. And here we go. So the sound was intimidating at first, and I was like so scared to like actually put on my nails. I'm like, oh my god, what if it hurts? But I do know that like if you feel a burning sensation, like you're getting really close to your natural nail, and you should move it. It's best not to like have the drill sitting one spot. Use like a quick hand and go over your nail like that in order to take it off. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my thumb first. So what I'm gonna do is take off the first shiny layer, and then I'm gonna soak it in some acetone because I don't wanna like take off all of the gel just by using the drill tool.
Don't make me pour my wine. Don't make me pour my wine. Plenty things from my mind. Way I want talk tonight. Don't make me pour my wine. Don't make me pour my wine. Plenty things from my mind. Way I want talk tonight. This is my story, this is my song. My mama told me I got to be strong. Oh. Late night devotion, I'm on a mission. No pill, no potion, straight up ambition. And I'm only showing you, let me wonder. Nobody better, I bring it under. No make me go funny, when it came out corny. One mommy like the chocolate, titi fideloni. Only shame me, call me. Ori mi matako mio. Kele da mi matako mio. Kiri re de she láyé mi o. Kí ìyá mi kó jẹ wọ́n mọ́. Kí bàbá mi kó jẹ wọ́n mọ́. Kí má ṣe kàgbákò láyé mi o.
Okay, this is what we have so far. And I'm gonna take pure acetone. I'm gonna use the cap, ghetto, I know, but whatever. And you're gonna wanna take like something to push, like scrape the gel off. I'm gonna use this white stick that comes in this kit. I got this Gelish kit. I got this from Sally's Beauty along with these two colors, pink and white. This was $13, expensive, I know. This was like 50 something. The acetone was like $2.99. You can use any acetone as long as it's pure acetone and it's not regular nail polish remover. So I'm gonna pour some in the cap, and we're gonna soak finger by finger. And I'll be right back. Basically what I'm just doing is while it's sitting inside the acetone, I am scraping it off if it can. Just scrape it off. I'm gonna switch over and use the wood stick because I noticed that the plastic is melting. Basically all I'm doing is sticking my finger into the acetone and scraping it all off, and then I'll come back to you guys once I have all of the color off of my nails. Okay, so I took off all the color off of my nails. You can see it's still a little bit shiny, some shiny parts. So I'm going to take the drill and I'm going to run over that part again just to get it away. That's just like remaining gel. Also, this process helps for the application of the gel as well. So I'm going to be going back and forth on my nail bed, not too much because I don't want to thin it out, but just enough so the gel has something to adhere to. Okay, now that's done, I'm just gonna wipe off my nails just to remove the dust. Yeah, I didn't want to do it like this, but it was right there, so why not? Alright, and this is what it should look like. Now you're gonna want to go into your Gelish kit. Or you can use any brand of gel nail polish, and you're going to take a piece of paper towel or cotton, whichever you feel, and I'm going to use the nail surface cleanse, which is basically just rubbing alcohol. And this is, you just wipe that on top of your nail bed. So I took that nail alcohol and I wiped all of my nails. Now I'm going to take the pH bond and I'm going to swipe that over all of my nails. So you just go like this. Now the fun part. So now you're going to take the mini foundation, a thin coat on top of your nails. put it on low heat mode. That's 99 seconds. Put your hand under there and wait. As the seconds increase on this one, the light gets brighter. So at 30 seconds, I guess it got hotter, or however it works. It kind of cures your nail at a slower pace. So I'm gonna do it. I do the 99-second one on low heat mode, and then I try to do 60-second just to make sure like it doesn't burn. All right, so this is what your nail should look like. I'm gonna take the pink. I do like 2 to 3 fingers at a time, just to ensure that everything is, you know, cured. And now you paint.
Don't make me pour my wine. Plenty things from my mind. Way I want talk tonight. This is my story, this is my song. My mama told me I got to be strong. Oh, late night devotion, I'm on a mission. No pills, no potion, straight up ambition. And I'm my only shon, you let me wonder. Nobody better, I bring it under. No make me go funny when it came a corny. One mommy like chocolate, titi fideloni. Only shame me, call me. Ori mi matako mio. Keleda mi matako mio.
I'm gonna put these fingers in for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna do the last 2 fingers. With this color, it only needs 2 coats. So I'm just gonna do 2, top it off, and then nourish my cuticles. Okay, so now on for the second coat. All right, I'm just gonna apply another coat to this one here. Actually, I'm gonna apply a 3rd coat to them all. And another 60 seconds. Okay, so after this is done curing, you're gonna wanna take the Gelish Mini, top it off, apply a thin layer to every single one of your fingers, and then I will put that into the light for 2 minutes. So I do 60 seconds 2 times, and when that's done, I'll show you guys what else you're supposed to do after you put on the top coat. Now that these 2 have been dried, you're gonna wanna take the top it off and apply a thin coat onto all of your fingers, and then I will cure that for 2 minutes each. Okay, once that's done, it should look like this. You're gonna want to take a paper towel, and now you're gonna want to take more of the nail surface cleanse, and you're gonna wipe off the sticky white. It's not white, but it's like kind of tacky on top. You could definitely use alcohol to do this step as well. And that's what your nail should look like. Now you're gonna take the Nourish. It's just cuticle oil. Put it around your cuticles as so. If it gets on the nail, that's fine. And that's what your nail should look like. So if you guys like to see more gel applications, I also got like tips. So I'm going to be doing acrylic soon, just to see, like, you know, what designs I could come up with. Let me know what other videos you like to see, and I'll be glad to create them for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms at Tiffany Nicole D, and don't forget to check out my clothing brand page at Shop Diamond Way I want to talk to